Hello. Today we are going to start learning about Phoenix with taking attendance. You previously learned how to log into Phoenix with the presentation, so your screen should now look like this. I have hidden all my students' pictures, student IDs, and last names for the purpose of keeping their identities secret. We are first going to edit some of the ways you view this. So if you go ahead and hit Edit, you will see a drop down on the right hand side. This is where you can choose to add or take away any of the information that shows up on your seating chart. Again, I chose nickname to take their last names away, but you can put their names in any order you would like. You can alpha sort them or put them in a seating chart if you would like. You can show students photos, their student ID, their attendance for the day, their gender and grade, what they have in your class, the courses they are in, what section they are in, and any special notifications, such as if they have an IEP, any allergies, or any special notes that you need to be aware of. Again, you can show or not show them. That's totally up to you. You can also change how many seats are in your chart, depending on how many chairs you have, how many students you have in a class, or how you want to set up your seating chart if you do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. That is just our options for how you view your first screen. So now, attendance. You will need to take attendance in the very beginning of the morning when your students first get there. You will then need to take it every block after that you do not have a planning. So you need to take attendance every single class that you have. We are going to go ahead and hit the attendance button right here in the middle on top. What this does is bring a drop down that has all of your students listed. We only have a couple clicks that we have access to as teachers. So I'm going to show you with Adam here. The space will be where you're entering your attendance. So if I click once, you have something called UNX, which is unexcused. If I click one more time, you have tardy, late to your class. And if I click one more time, you have the option to say absent, meaning they are not there. Once you have done so, you will click save and return, or just save, and it will, if you hit save and return, it'll take you back to your home screen. I cannot hit save since I am in a summer mode, so I'm just going to hit cancel and it'll take me back. Once you have done this, your attendance will have a check next to it reminding you that you have taken attendance. So, we're busy teachers, we forget to do things, the students start walking in and we get excited for our activity for the day, so sometimes we do forget to do our attendance. So I'm going to go ahead, just in case you forget, there is a way to go back and do it. If you hit attendance, of course I just chose today because it was there. If you hit in the last 10 days, it will show you their attendance for the last 10 days, and obviously I have not put anything, so I guess they've all been present, but I can go back and click what they were for those last days. Now I can't go back any further only because it is the summer and I don't have access to all of them. But you can change up until a month of their attendance. Again, don't forget to hit save and return in order to save your clicks.